Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video about Arc browser to share with you. The web is all about sharing information easily and making it accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. Arc browser, developed by the browser company, is living up to the original goal of the internet by allowing users to share anything and everything with ease. Today, we will explore 5 ways Arc browser makes sharing the web as easy as you like. When you share a quote from an article with someone, there's no easy way to guide users to that specific quote in the article. Arc browser has solved this problem. With a new feature called quote sharing, you can now easily share quotes from a website with the exact location of the quote. Simply highlight the quote, click the share quote button, and copy the URL. When you share the link, it will render a beautiful formatted quote card, and when someone clicks on the link, they will be taken directly to the quote on the web page. We love this new feature. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, why not like the video and subscribe to our channel to get our videos in your feed. Organizing your links in folders is great, but what if you want to share those links with others? Arc browser has a solution for that too. With shared folders, you can share an entire folder in seconds. Just right click on the folder you want to share, click the share folder option and copy the folder link. The best part is that the recipient doesn't need Arc browser to access these links. They can open the shared link in any browser and access all the tabs you have saved in that folder. Sharing a folder of links has never been easier. Arc browser takes organization to the next level with shared spaces. You can create multiple spaces to compartmentalize your browsing. You can share these spaces with anyone, giving them instant access to all the tabs inside that space. So if you have multiple folders consisting of links, you can share the entire space instead of sharing the folders individually. With the Arc browser shared spaces feature, you can share hundreds of links organized into multiple folders with just one click. Sometimes you just want to share multiple links without creating a folder or space. Arc browser has got you covered. Simply hold down the command key and click on the links to select them. Then right click on the selected link and choose the share option. Copy the link and share it with anyone you like. It's that simple. If you have seen anything about Arc browser, you know that one of its most popular features is the split view. Arc browser allows you to open multiple tabs in split view. With the latest update, now you can share your split view configuration with anyone. Just right click on your split view, choose share split view, copy the link and share it with anyone you like. The best part about these sharing link methods is that they will work on any browser. In our video, we have used Safari to display how shared links appear in a different browser. However, if you open the share link in the Arc browser, you will get the option to add those links in your Arc browser, making them permanently accessible to you. And there you have it. 5 ways Arc browser makes sharing the web easy. Whether it's sharing quotes, folders, spaces, multiple links or split views, Arc browser has you covered. So why not give it a try and experience the ease of sharing the web like never before. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, happy browsing.